Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss anatomy most repeated MCQs part first. Olfactory receptor nerve cells are the origin of option A optic nerve, B olfactory nerve, C oculomotor nerve, and option D hypoglossal nerve. So the correct option is B olfactory nerve. Explanation is the olfactory nerves arise from olfactory receptor cells. Medulla oblongata is the origin of option A accessory nerve, B optic nerve, C olfactory nerve, and option D oculomotor nerve. So the correct option is A accessory nerve. Explanation is the accessory nerves arise from the medulla and spinal cord. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. An anterior view of the skull shows all except option A foramen magnum, B inferior orbital fissure, C infraorbital foramen, and option D mental foramen. So the correct option is A foramen magnum. The foramen magnum is located at the base of the skull, inferior view, and is not visible from the anterior view. The lateral view of the skull shows all except option A frontal bone, B occipital bone, C parietal bone, and option D sagittal suture. So the correct option is D sagittal suture. The sagittal suture is seen from the superior top view, not the lateral view. So this is very important MCQs. Providing attachment sites for some head and neck muscle is option A cerebrum, B cranium, C cerebellum, and option D diencephalon. So the correct option is B cranium. The cranium provides attachment site for muscles, the temporalis and occipitalis. All are the functions of the facial bones except option A anchor muscle of the face, B framework of the face, C hold the teeth, and option D provide support to the body. So the correct option is D provide support to the body. Explanation is facial bones support facial structures but not the entire body. That's the role of the axial and appendicular skeleton system. So this is very important MCQs. Dash is divided into the cranial wall chamber and the base. Option A body, B cranium, C cerebrum, and option D cerebellum. So the correct option is B cranium. The cranium consists of vault and base. The skull contains all smaller cavities except option A air-filled sinuses, B middle and inner ear cavities, C meningeal cavities, and option D nasal cavity. So the correct option is C meningeal cavities. The meninges are layered covering the brain, not cavities within the skull. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. The suture units the two parietal bones on the superior middle line of the skull is option A coronal, B lambdoid, C. Sagittal, and option D. Squamous. So the correct option is C. Sagittal. The sagittal suture runs midline between the parietal bones. So this is very important MCQs. Forms the posterior portion of the cranium and cranial base. Option A. Ethmoid bone, B. Frontal bone, C. Occipital bone, and option D. Sphenoid bone. So the correct option is C. Occipital bone. The occipital bone form the posterior skull and base, including the foramen magnum. Resemble the butterfly or bat. Option A. Ethmoid bone, B. Frontal bone, C. Occipital bone, and option D. Sphenoid bone. So the correct option is D. Sphenoid bone. The sphenoid bone has the butterfly-like shape. The lower jawbone is the largest and strongest facial bone. Option A. Frontal bone, B. Nasal bone, C. Mandible, and option D. Maxilla. So the correct option is C. Mandible. The mandible is the strongest facial bone. Bone located in the medial orbital wall is option A. Ethmoid bone, B. Lacrimal bone, C. Nasal bone, and option D. Palatine bone. So the correct option is A. Ethmoid bone. The ethmoid forms part of the medial orbital wall. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. It acts as a movable base for the tongue. Option A. Ethmoid, B. Hyoid bone, C. Maxilla, and option D. Mandible. So the correct option is B. Hyoid bone. The hyoid bone supports the tongue but does not articulate with other bones. All foramina are found in the base of the skull except option A. Foramen magnum, B. Hypoglossal canal, C. Mental foramen, and option D. Superior orbital fissure. So the correct option is C. Mental foramen. The mental foramen is on the mandible anterior side, not the skull base. Thank you for watching my videos.